Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Want your images to turn from this to this? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 straightforward methods for removing backgrounds in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first method, one-click background removal. This method uses Photoshop's quick actions for an almost instant result. In the Layers panel, unlock your background layer, go to Window and open the Properties panel. Under Quick Actions in the Properties panel, click on Remove Background. The second method, creating watermarks by removing background via inversion. This is helpful for those creating custom watermarks for their socials. Press Ctrl+I on Windows to import your image. Once the image is loaded, click Select, then All on the ribbon above. Go to Edit, then Copy to copy your image. Click the plus button at the bottom left of the Layers panel to add a new layer. Delete your original image layer. Add a color to fill your new layer. Click while holding the Alt key to transition to the white layer as you can see on the screen. Go to Edit, then Paste to bring your copied image into the new layer. Go to the Image tab on the ribbon, then Adjustments, and click Invert. On the Layers panel bottom right, click on the specific layer where your inverted image is. The background color is now removed. Perform a quick export to save your image. The third method is removing background using the Quick Selection tool. This method offers more control for detailed background removal. Open Photoshop, then drag and drop your picture from its folder into Photoshop. Choose the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Ensure it's set to plus in the top menu bar. Click on Select Subject in the top menu. Zoom in. Use the plus option of the Quick Selection tool to select any missed parts of your image and minus to deselect unwanted background areas. Now click Select and Mask in the top menu. In the Select and Mask dialog, set the view to overlay, the color to red, and opacity to 100%. Select the Refine Edge Brush tool, set to plus. Click Refine Hair at the top to clean up complex edges like hair. Go to Output 2 and select New Layer with Layer Mask. Click OK. You now have a PNG image with the background removed. To save, uncheck the background layer if any. Go to File and click Save as Copy or even Export. Change the Save as type to PNG. Rename if desired, then click Save. In the final dialog, click OK, and you will be done successfully. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.